Babe, look at. Hey, hey, no, hey, no, 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 no. We need to get Charlie away from here. He's starting to play with the puppies a little too much. He just went like a little bite at him, but not like he was really gonna bite him, you know? Hey, were you even listening?
Yes, I'm videotaping.
Hey, Charlie, stop it! Babe, he's trying to bite Petrie.
Well, then.
He's trying to bite Petrie. That is awesome. Go, Moo Moo. Petrie, I'm still watching. I'm watching. I'm watching you. Oh, come here. I know, Petrie, you only have one eye open. It's hard for you. They're all like loving learning how to walk. What is up with them? How are they all just learning at the same time?
Good job, Petrie.
Go Petrie, go Petrie, you haven't flipped over yet. You haven't flipped yet. You haven't flipped yet. Don't do it. Don't you flip. Stay up. Stay up.
You just stopped.
That was a good run. That was a good run. Not, oh, there you go. Nope, nope, back up. Nope, nope, nope. He's drunk.